Companies today are struggling with the challenge of finding the right people at the right time, to better engage and leverage skills and talents, to make better talent decisions based on more data collected over time. For over 20 years, Textkernel has been building AI-powered solutions that enable you to understand, connect, and analyze people and jobs. Understand future employees through a holistic candidate profile that includes insights from not only a person's CV, but a multitude of touchpoints. Connect faster with the skilled talent you need through recommendations and shortlisting of the best potential candidates. Our search and match technology helps you rank and shortlist quickly and with confidence. Analyze over 10 years of labor market intelligence to ensure your understanding of human capital goes beyond just your own organization. To help you build talent strategies that takes the whole picture into account and understand where you need to be both proactive in attracting talent, but also protective in ensuring these skilled individuals aren't being poached by your competitors. By integrating our semantic search technology, we can help you reduce potential bias in your processes by surfacing or bridging both language and contextual biases to give you the best possible outcomes. By seamlessly integrating into how you work, our machine intelligence complements your team's human intelligence to bring people and jobs together. Welcome to Textkernel.